some noise. Make it louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everybody clap your hands for the birthday boy. Happy birthday. Okay, syempre, bago ko niya, Jen, yung endo niya. Okay, syempre, tanongin mo natin yung wish na ngayong mami. Mami, what is your wish for JM? Hi, sir. Ayan, so, lumaki malusog at makatapos sa pag-aaral. Nag-aaral na ba, sir? Ma'am, kaya ma'am, meron kayo sa inyo ilagdag? Pasiros na lang natin yan. Okay, so count tayo ng 1, 2, 3, tapos bumulaw ni JM yung kayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Go your kayo, JM. Okay, grabe yan. Everybody shout happy birthday, JM, at the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday! Make it louder. 1, 2, 3! A big round of applause for the birthday boy. Happy birthday, JM. Okay, so let's go sa ating big balloon, sa ating balloon burst. Ayan, kasama ang ating birthday boy. Okay, wala mo na uuwi kasi later, before you go, you will see balloon pa coming from JM. Okay, dito mo tayo sa ating big balloon. Come on, all of kids, kapit tayo dito. Come on, kids, come on. Okay, nakita niyo ba ang ating ang ating mami, mga excuse po. Ayan, nakita niyo ang ating big balloon. Nakita niyo ba hindi? O, di ba nakita niyo rin? Kasi malaki, di ba? Okay. Ayan, sa loob niyan. Ano yung nasa loob? Ano yung nasa loob? Balloon din. Pero may small balloons. Okay. Ayan, sa loob ng small balloons, meron diyang numbers. From 1 to 20. Okay, kung sino makakuha ng numbers na from 1 to 20, okay, meron silang prize galing sa ating birthday mo na si JM. Mami, ikaw lang ang makakuha ito. Okay, ready? Ikaw tayo. Okay, mga kamay muna. Kamay, bago na. Okay, ready? Okay, everybody, 1, 2, 3, ready? 1! Okay. Please, Dana, please,
wala mo ba? Wala
eh.
Wala eh.
Come on, come on, come on.
Lagyan mo ng lamang best. Ano mo na, puputok mo na. Hindi ko naman sinasabi ha.
Okay, okay, manos everybody, ha? Okay, this coming
ay, pinuputok na nga eh.
Okay, this coming Sunday po, okay, iniimbita po namin kayo. Meron po tayo dito, pay-per-view po ni Pacquiao Bradley Pies. Dito po sa Philippines yan. This coming Sunday po. Ayan, hope to see you. Libre po pumasok. Yung order ko may bayad. Please, patuloy po natin, get the numbers. From 1 to 20, come on.
Wala.
Come on. Give me the numbers. From 1 to 20. Yung after this, yung makis natin before you go.
Ayan o, nasa kayo nakalapit 13.
Give the number. Oh, you got the number 6. Okay. Okay, yan. Yak status.
O, 13. Akin na.
Okay, please give me the number. You got the number 2. 13, 9 dyan. Meron kang bola, pink. 19. Ayan, come on. Hindi po yung bigyan pa natin ating mga numbers. Ano yan?
Ibigay kay JP. O, sa anak mo.
Okay, congratulations. Okay, tawagin namin natin ang ating birthday boy kasama si Mami.
Regalo ko ha.
Okay, I need the birthday boy to be here. JM, kasama si Mami yan. Ha? Okay, Mami.
Asan natin yung ano, chicken natin?
Need to sit down. Ayan. Okay, so yung makikita natin, please, form a one straight line for your loop back. Come on, take a one straight line, please. For your loop back. And also yung abot natin na, ayan,
Mga balloons daw, dadal.
okay, need a one straight line. Kailangan ng straight line.